Hi, welcome to Vim Tip of the Day 6. Today we're going to learn the basics of deletions of lines or line breaks. In my previous videos we talked about how to navigate around them and also how to delete a single character. Let me show you how to delete a line. Navigate to the line you want to do it. Your cursor can be anywhere on the line. Then hit the D key twice and that would delete the line. Next we learn how to delete a line break, or I would like to think of it as joining two lines together. So navigate to the line on the top of where you want to join the two lines and hit the capital J. That's it. I hope that was useful. Check out my YouTube profile page if you wanted to take a paid tutoring session with me on anything software engineering.